Welcome back to Buy Smart HQ, where we dive into the latest in tech and gadgets, along with exciting Amazon products. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking device that promises to elevate how you track your health and fitness, the Oura Ring 4. Let's start with what makes this wearable truly unique. Unlike fitness bands or smartwatches, the Oura Ring 4 is a ring. Sleek, unintrusive, and packed with technology that fits right on your finger. It's light, comfortable, and designed for 24/7 wear, meaning you can wear it day and night without any discomfort. But don't let the minimalist look fool you. This ring is loaded with powerful features. One of the standout features of the Oura Ring 4 is its advanced sleep tracking. It goes beyond just tracking the hours you sleep. With detailed insights into your deep, REM, and light sleep stages, it provides an in-depth look at your overall sleep quality. Imagine waking up and knowing exactly how your night's rest affects your readiness for the day. The Oura app generates a sleep score and readiness score each morning, helping you understand if your body is ready for intense activity or needs more recovery time. Next, let's talk about health tracking. The Oura Ring 4 monitors your heart rate, respiratory rate, and even body temperature. These metrics can help you spot trends and early signs of illness or stress. Imagine having this kind of knowledge right at your fingertips. For fitness lovers, the Oura Ring tracks your daily activity, including your steps, active minutes, and calorie burn. But what sets it apart is how it combines this data with your sleep and recovery scores to suggest a balanced approach to activity. It's more than just tracking, it's guidance toward an optimal lifestyle. The ring doesn't just track your workouts, it suggests personalized goals based on how recovered you are each day, helping you avoid overexertion. The Oura Ring 4 is built for everyday life. It has a battery life of up to 7 days, so no constant charging. You can wear it anywhere, even while sleeping or working out, without interruption. And with its water-resistant and durable design, it's made to keep up with your lifestyle. Worried about sizing? The Oura Ring 4 comes with a sizing kit, so you can try different sizes and find the perfect fit before making your purchase. So, is the Oura Ring 4 worth it? If you're serious about understanding and optimizing your health, this device offers insights beyond what you'd get from a typical fitness tracker. From sleep to stress to overall wellness, it's all in one stylish, compact ring. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, someone focused on improving your wellness, or just tech-savvy and curious, the Oura Ring 4 might just be the upgrade you're looking for. And stay tuned, as our channel will be expanding to cover more Amazon products beyond tech reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart HQ for more Amazon product reviews and gadget tips. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in exploring more Amazon gems like this.